Right, so this is Matt. He's just completed our 6-week challenge. Got some pretty amazing results. I'm just going to let him give you a quick insight into what he's thought about the program and how he's done with it. So Matt, if you want to just tell us a little bit about where you started.
So 6 weeks ago, so 6 weeks finished, and I couldn't feel more different from the start. So I started this coming off the back of a couple of injuries. I work and travel a lot. I've got a 1-year-old. There were lots of excuses why I wasn't doing any exercise. and what this has really kind of given me is a really simple structure, easy to follow, easy training, easy nutrition, really fun environment that's just kind of made me want to come into the gym, kind of see the people that are here. The trainers have all been supportive, and I think that's the thing I take away from it the most, is that everything was made very, very simple. And kind of at the end of the 6 weeks, I feel like I've got more energy. All my sports that I play have improved. The weight coming off has helped, but I think just the general kind of feeling of energy and being more awake in the morning, wanting to get up in the morning, no aches and pains, has been a real kind of revelation for me.
That's cool. Yeah, that's cool. I think a lot of people do feel like that when they go through these things. Like, makes life a lot easier. Okay, cool. And if there was one big takeaway from all of this, what would that be for you?
So for me, consistency is key. It's so easy to have these cheat days and to kind of slack off in training sessions, but the fact that they've got the support here and all the apps and everything to keep you on track means it's easy to keep consistent.
Cool, brilliant. Well done, mate. You've done really well.
Cheers.